Hello students, welcome to the science virtual class. Today I am going to teach you lesson 5 plant reproduction. Read the lesson thoroughly well to relate with the video. Let's start. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. Reproduction is done by two ways, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. These two are done in plant reproduction. Today I am going to teach you about sexual reproduction of plants. It is the formation of new plants through the fusion of male gametes which are present in the pollen grains of the anther and female gametes which are reproductive cells present in the ovary. The flower is the reproductive part of a plant since it contains both female and male gametes. This kind of reproduction is done in 4 steps. Step 1, pollination, which already you have done in last lesson. Step 2, fertilization. Step 3, seed formation. Step 4, germination. Step 1, pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower is called pollination. Is the first step of reproduction. You have already learned how pollination is done by different agents like air, water, insects, etc. Step 2, fertilization. It is the fusion of male gamete with a female gamete to form a zygote. Children, this is the most important step in plant reproduction. How it happens? I am going to tell you. When a pollen grain falls on the stigma of the same or other flower of the same kind, it grows into a tiny tube or pollen tube towards the ovules in the ovary. The pollen grains release male gametes into the pollen tube. This pollen tube carries the male gamete through the style of the pistil. It reaches the ovary, enters the ovule and deposits the male gamete over there. The male gamete fuses with the egg or female gamete in the ovule. A zygote or single-celled structure. I repeat, a zygote or single-celled structure is formed. This zygote develops into a new plant and thus fertilization takes place. Step 3, seed formation. After fertilization, these changes occur. Sepals, petals, carpels and stamen dry and fall off. The ovary forms the fruit and the fertilized ovule forms the seed. The zygote develops into an embryo which further develops into a new plant. Step 4, germination. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed needs certain conditions to germinate. Proper amount of moisture, air, sunlight, temperature and soil. Now, steps of germination. See the picture, children, and try to understand. A seed is sown in the soil. It absorbs water, air and warmth and becomes soft. The seed coat breaks and the baby plant or seedling comes out. It has a root and shoot. The root goes downwards to anchor the soil. The shoot starts forming foliage or leaves. The leaves prepare food for the plant by photosynthesis and helps it grow bigger. Once again, the whole process that is flower to fruit, fruit to seed and seed to new plants is repeated. Children, now I am going to teach you about the structure of a seed. Sexual reproduction in plants results in seed formation. There are three main parts of a seed. Seed coat or the outer covering to protect the baby plant inside. The baby plant or an embryo. Under the seed coat, there are two halves or seed leaves known as cotyledons. Until and unless the leaves come out and start food preparation, the baby plant collects its nourishment or food from the cotyledons. Okay, children, write this question in your science notebook. What did you learn today? See, all the seeds produced by a plant do not grow into new plants. Why? Following are the reasons. Some seeds are eaten by birds and animals. Some get destroyed by rain or extreme heat. Some are not able to develop into new plants due to insufficient air, moisture or sunlight. Some are immature. Today's homework is draw neat and level diagram of fertilization in plants, seed structure and stages of germination from your book in your science notebook. Thank you, children. Okay, children, today this much, and we'll continue with asexual reproduction in the next class.